Hi, it's JoElla Milan. I'm doing a video for you tonight. I've been working all day and I like to do things so they look real. That's like right now. I just threw myself together just so I could show you results. So I'm not fancy or anything, just out of the shower. So I'm going to show you again, because I think it's very important. I'm going to talk to you about, actually I have 4 different products here, but the Tighteye and the Tightneck. And these are products that when you put it on, you can look good in 5 or 10 minutes and be on your way. But I want to tell you more of the benefits of them because they are cumulative, which most products like this are not. So many products that, you know, I know you see them on all the different platforms out there, you know, like, oh, look at this. Oh, my face, all my wrinkles are gone. You know, those products are good, but if you use them, you're going to see, you know, many of them you put on and they tell you not to move your face for like 10 minutes. And then you do look younger. But what you'll see is they put a residue on your face. And many of them, it's hard to put on makeup afterwards because it just either doesn't go on, it could ball off, you know, ball up a little bit or just not look good on your face. So that's one thing. And the other thing is that they only work for so long. So you might start off earlier in the day and by the nighttime, you're not looking too good. So, and that's the truth of them. You know, I mean, I've been around a long time. I've tried so many products and that's what happens with most of them. And that's why I've never honestly sold them before. And now this one here, I had been interested in it for a long time and we had some delays with things, but the man that created this is a genius. I can't even tell you some of the other things that he's made that he is a genius. And I love geniuses. A lot of formulators, they're not geniuses. You know, they might know the formula, like making a cake, they know the formula and that's it. But, you know, the person that really figures it out and how it works, those are the people I like, the geniuses. I like products that I know the person that makes them. Makes a big difference. So what I want to say with these, now, like I've been working all day and I put myself together in about 20 minutes. I went upstairs and I put on the tie-dye and I put it under here and I do the crow's feet and then in here too, because if you look at your eyes here, there's little tiny wrinkles in there. If you're really young, you might not have them yet, but they're just very small. So, you know, put it up there. So I put that there. And if you have an 11, put it on the 11. And then the tight neck, for me, I put it on the neck, the jowls, and I put it on the nasolabial area and the sides of the mouth. Anywhere that you feel like you need a little help. I put them on, and I probably left it on about 10 to 20 minutes. And then I could feel it getting tighter on there. And then I just wet my hand a little bit and just kind of, you wash it off. Not like really rub, but, you know, get either a wet towel or like me, I just wet my hands and rinse it off like that and towel dry it. And that's it. And, you know, my face looks good. I really like the way I look. And then afterwards, I put on some JoElla Milan Capture Youth Water, sprayed it all over my face, rubbed it in. And then I put on a little Victoria Deanne Tighteye. And this one has a little roller on it. And I just put that on. And that's all I did to myself today. And then I just put on really light, some powder and a little bit of blush, lipstick. I don't have anything really on my eyes. And that's it. But the thing that I like about this, now if I do this again tonight, and then I do it even tomorrow, this stuff is cumulative. So when you do this several times, it really starts, your skin looks good. And you'll get to the point where you don't need to do it every day. You know, in the beginning, I would suggest using it once a day or even twice a day. And then your face starts looking good, and then you could maybe use it every other day or every couple of days, you know. you do look good from that. And your skin feels really soft. There's no residue at all from it. And the results are, I just love them. Because I know it's about a week or so ago, I had been doing my neck. My neck looked so good that I thought, God, my neck looks good. You know, but if you stop using it, then it starts reverting back again. But you do see a difference. And I want you to, I just love this stuff. So, you know, it's on my website. I've got a link to both of them. And I can't say enough about them. So, I just wanted to go over that with you so that you would know. You know, because even now, like my face, you can see it has, just with a little powder, a little blush, it has like a nice, it looks healthy. I don't look like I've got some powder on my face or residue or anything. It's just a clean, healthy look. So I look forward to hearing from you, and you can call me on my toll-free number, or you can send me an email, and I'm really happy to help you. Thank you. Bye.